Every breakthrough starts with a strong foundation. In the world of advanced SOC design, Cadence Artisan Foundation IP is the essential building block that powers innovation. From standard cells and memory compilers, SRAM, to general-purpose I/O libraries, Artisan Foundation IP forms the backbone of SOC design. These components are offered across foundries and process technologies, ensuring your designs are efficient, scalable, and future-ready. Today's designs demand the perfect balance of power, performance, and area, PPA. Artisan Foundation IP is engineered to deliver ultra-low power, high-speed performance, and minimal silicon footprint, helping you meet aggressive design targets without compromise. With silicon-proven reliability, Artisan Foundation IP reduces design risk and accelerates time to market. Advanced characterization, robust verification, and seamless integration with Cadence EDA flows make it the trusted choice for designers worldwide. From smartphones, consumer and AI accelerators, to automotive and IoT devices, Artisan Foundation IP enables the technologies that shape our lives. Every interaction, every connection, every innovation, powered by Cadence Artisan Foundation IP you can trust. Build smarter, build faster, build on Cadence Artisan Foundation IP, the backbone of your next big idea. Cadence Artisan Foundation IP, everywhere, empowering every silicon with Artisan IP.